Hi guys, how to make a t-shirt on Roblox Mobile. Now, open your mobile web browser, go to create.roblox.com and log into your account. This is the only official creator site, so don't get tricked by fake ones. Tap the three lines in the top left corner, select Creations, then tap Avatar Items at the top. Most people miss this tab, so pay close attention here. Scroll across the menu to select Classics, then use the filters to specifically choose Classic T-shirts. Picking the wrong category is a common mistake that will waste your time. Click the Upload Asset button, select Upload, and choose your shirt file from your photo library or files. Keep watching because the next step shows the exact file size and format you need. Give your shirt a name and description, then click the final Upload button. Here's the important part. This will cost 10 Robux to publish it to your inventory, so make sure your design is ready before you pay. That's it. Your classic shirt is now live.